Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi. Today I'm sharing a protein and fiber rich pulao recipe ideal as a meal for lunch or for dinner in your healthy weight loss journey. This video is available in English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam and Bengali. You can change the audio language by going to the settings gear icon and clicking auto track to choose your preferred language. So let's get started with the recipe. To make the high protein pulao, I'm using 3 cups of sprouted green moong dal. This is 5-day-old green moong sprouts, and you can see how long the green moong dal has sprouted. I have already shared how to make green moong dal sprouts. Links will be updated below this video in the description box below. Please do check it out. I'm heating my cast iron kadai with 1 tablespoon wood pressed groundnut oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds, and once it splutters, I'm reducing the flame to the lowest and adding in some whole spices. 3 green cardamoms lightly crushed, 3 cloves, half of a mace, a small piece of cinnamon and 1 star anise, and I'm lightly giving it all a good mix. Into this I'm adding in 4 to 5 garlic cloves chopped and 1/4 inch of ginger chopped. Next I'm adding in half of an onion finely chopped, and saute the onions until it starts to turn transparent or light pink in color. Once the onion is transparent, I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon kashmiri chilli powder, 1/3 teaspoon garam masala. Give it a good stir and allow the masalas to lightly saute for about 20 to 30 seconds so that the raw flavor of the masalas are diminished. Next I'm adding in 3 cups of 5-day-old sprouted green moong dal. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed. Give it a good stir so that the sprouts are lightly stir fried. To make this more nutrient dense, I'm adding in some fresh moringa leaves. I have already shared many videos on the health benefits of moringa. Please do check it out. Links will be updated in the description box below. I'm just roughly tearing the moringa leaves and adding in. Moringa is also known as nature's multivitamin. Give it a good stir. If you don't have fresh moringa leaves at hand, you can use moringa powder instead. Into this I'm adding in 2 cups of cooked illupai chemba rice. Illupai chemba rice is a traditional variety of rice which is rich in many nutrients, especially B vitamins. I personally try to include traditional varieties of rice in my recipes. However, feel free to use your preferred variety of rice. Cooked and cooled rice is a good source of resistant starch. Resistant starch helps in good gut health and also helps in weight loss. I have already shared a couple of videos on the health benefits of resistant starch. Please do check it out. Links will be updated in the description box below. Once mixed, I am sprinkling in some finely chopped coriander leaves. Squeeze in juice of half a lemon. Lemon juice will help in better nutrient absorption, so try not to skip it. And I'm going to give it a good mix. Immediately transfer this to another bowl, and you can enjoy this healthy, fiber and protein rich sprouts pulao with any side dish of your choice. So guys, do try this healthy sprouts pulao and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.